The Toby Centered Experience, take one.
Hey guys, I just want to give you a behind the paint look at my Black Croc project for celebrity couple Kirk and Rasheeda Frost. Now, most people know them from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, but I know them just a little differently. I know them as true business moguls, restaurant owners, a retail boutique owner, and a powerhouse construction and design duo here in Atlanta. Now, in this project, I'm installing one of their favorite finishes, my Onyx Croc technique. What you're watching here is a step-by-step look at how I build a croc wall from the ground up. Now, if you're already in my Paint Plaster Club, log into the app. This technique is waiting for you. What I love most about working with them is how seamlessly they work together. Rasheeda has an incredible design eye. She understands texture, mood, and how a wall should feel in a space. And Kirk, man, years of hands-on experience with the custom renovations and build-outs. He understands the structure, execution, and getting it done right the first time. That combination is rare, and it shows in every project we've done together. This croc finish isn't just decorative. It's layered, it's intentional, it's bold, but it's still elevated, and it always looks like money. So if you're watching this thinking, ooh, I love this technique, I wish I could learn it, well, you actually can. I teach this exact croc technique inside my Paint and Plaster Club, and there's a free class waiting for you right now. So comment club, and I'll send you the link to join the app and take the free class.